Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another wonderful video for you today. Now, this is more like a product chit chat video. For those of you who haven't been in my eBay store to know the wonderful products that I have down there, I wanted to showcase some of them for you right now. And these are bodybuilding ingredients. Now, I know you've heard me mention, and you've also seen me use a lot of Indian herbs, a lot of herbs that you probably are not going to find in your area. And being that I'm in a melting pot of a state, I have access to so many different things, so many different cultural herbs and foods and the whole nine. So first of all, I want to thank all of you who've patronized my eBay store, who bought so many different things. I mean, it was really popping this weekend, and I thank you so much for that. For those of you who really don't know about the things that I have down there, you need to go and check it out. All right, these are things that you can use now. These are things that you can also, use on your family. I have stuff for the men's. I got stuff for you guys down there as well. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the things that I have down there that's really going to help you guys out. All right, let's start with the men. Get that out of the way. Now, you guys, come a little closer. I can't say this too loud because YouTube is listening. Okay. So let me just tell you guys about the wonderful herbs that I have down there that's going to help you. Okay? The first one is this. This you've seen and I've showcased in one of my videos, and this is the Tongat Ali honey with horny goat weed extract. And this is a horny goat matcha powder, long jack, Tongat Ali, uhimbi, and ginseng. It has 5 ingredients in this one container. Now, this is for boosting, but it's a booster. This is also for your pleasure and drive. Okay? Now, listen, you guys. This is what's going to increase the size. It's also going to increase the strength. Okay? It's also going to increase the pleasure and drive. It also improves your mood and your energy level. This also helps to prolong your and delay you having mishaps. Now, I don't want to go too deep into this, but this is for like your testosterone. This is to build the strength of your manhood, and this is a daily supplement that you take every day. For those of you who may be having some dysfunctions going on there and you need that extra boost, well, check down below in my store. I got some wonderful things for that. This is one of them. Okay, now the other one is uhimbi. It's a uhimbi bark that has red ginseng, schisandra, shilajit, vanilla, plain fold. I don't even know some of these herbs, okay? But these are herbs that's going to improve your drive and your mood. Okay, it's going to give you that desired mood, and this is what's going to build up your strength. Okay, and that one has manuka honey in it, and it's to help you boost up that area. It's for you to continue. For those of you who may not have that strength, the stiffness, this is what's going to help you. So it's to help boost your body up, feed it the right way as a supplement, and it's going to make your performance better. All right, without me going into too many graphics. So check down below for the Tongat Ali with honey, as well as the uhimbi. But check it out, it's really good. All of these are organic. All right, natural herbs, natural honey, natural everything. The next one that I'd like to show you, and you've seen it in a video that I've been using it lately, and it's the organic black seed with honey. For those of you who know the benefits of black seed oil, well, imagine that with honey. and it's a more palatable way of ingesting it. It's a more pleasant way, more pleasant taste, because if you taste black seed oil, it does not taste that well. Down below, the black seed with honey. This is a 2-in-1. It's all organic. It's all natural. Now this one cures a lot of ailments to maintain and improve your general health, like diabetes, dry cough, okay, which is dry cough, sexual weakness, impaired vision, alopecia, epilepsy, seizures, anemia, rhinitis, teeth problems, heart stroke, dermatitis, blood clotting, anti-aging, cholesterol, body weight, hepatitis, digestion problems, intestinal problems, cholesterol, blood clotting, aging. This does a lot. This does a lot. For you to ingest this into your drinks, this is going to give you so many benefits, and it goes on and on. It's also good for inflammation of the nose, the throat, which is what you need to fight right now. Common cold symptoms, eye disease, nasal congestion, backaches, rheumatic, hypertension. This has, I can't even keep going, okay, because it would be a long video. This is organic honey, organic black seed oil, crushed black seed, Manuka honeys, which is a more healthier honey, and it doesn't spike your blood sugar levels. It has royal jelly in it, which is one of the things that kind of puts you in that mood. It has bee propolis, Siberian ginseng, ginger root. I mean, it has so many wonderful things in it. This, you gotta have one of these. This is not just putting honey into your teas or yeah, into your warm drinks, which is one of the best ways you can mix this, because it does come as a solid form and it's easier to break down in liquids. But I'm telling you, you are strengthening your body in more ways than one when you take this. It also helps with weight loss. This also helps to achieve more power, full thrust. Just know that this is also good for that organ, okay? So your black seed with honey, this is also another beneficial thing for your body, for everything, everything, okay? Everything. Another one I want to show you is the organic Moringa honey with black seed. This is good for hypertension and respiratory problems, as well as blood circulation. This has moringa powder, garlic, Siberian ginseng, olive oil, black seed oil, and this is all organic. And basically, because it has the black seed in it, it does everything that the other one does, okay? All of these have black seed in it, so you know you are getting a boost of everything when you get this. There's 5 herbs in one, but the benefits are endless. This also is down below in the eBay store. And this is a 16-ounce bottle. It has licorice in it, black seed, organic honey, Manuka honey, okay, royal jelly, which is also for that, and it has everything else. Anything that has black seed in it, you already know your body is getting an extra boost in nourishment, in vitamins, in minerals, in potency, in building it up, in building up the immunity of it, fighting against all sorts of things as far as cold, sexual weakness, okay? This is going to strengthen you up, as well as nasal congestion, backaches, rheumatic, hypertension, heart ailments, hair loss, eyes, infections, pains. This does a lot, okay? I know some of you are not aware of what's going on down there, but this is why I had to bring it up to show you. There's a lot of beneficial things going on down below. Now, another one is this organic Neem honey with Manuka black seed. This has rue, it has thyme in it. Listen, parsley, dandelion, Vietnam, cinnamon is a powerful herb as well. This one also helps you to lose weight. It encourages flat belly detox. This is going to detox your body. It's also best for immunity and weight loss. This does the same thing as the other ones, but it has other ingredients in it. It has neem extract, organic Manuka honey, rue, organic black seed, thyme, parsley, dandelion, Vietnam, cinnamon, olive oil, green tea leaves, royal jelly, bee propolis, Siberian ginseng, ginger root, anise, licorice. And it says this is an adult dietary supplement. So this is not for kids. None of these honeys are for kids, so do not give your children this, because like I said, it has certain herbs in it that enhances your mood and also does things to strengthen you. So you don't want to give, this is not for the kiddies, period. This has miraculous healing powers for your body, and of course it has black seed in there, so just know you're getting an extra boost in your body with these. Okay, there's another one that I want to talk about, and I'll have the picture down below, but this is the organic turmeric honey with ginger and black seed. This is turmeric honey with black seed and ginger, and it has organic manuka honey, bee propolis, ginger root, turmeric powder, royal jelly. And this is great for colds and flus and fevers, as well as wound healing. So if you're suffering from any type of wounds, you can also put this as a topical on your wounds as well. Also, to build up your immune system, you need this now. It has so many herbs in it that you're not just buying one thing and blending it up. Adding these to your teas, it just takes your teas to another level, and it fills your body up with so many nourishing vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, antibacterial fighting agents. It does it all. And if you do research on the benefits of black seed oil itself, the slogan for that is, it cures almost anything but death. This thing, it does it all. It does it all. Whatever your ailments are, this thing combats it. Not to mention, I have black seed oil by itself. So taking this every single day as a supplement is strong. It's potent. Okay, it's powerful. But if you don't want to get that, you just want the black seed oil, I have that down there too. And another supplement that I want to talk about, and that one is the saffron honey with garlic and black seed. Okay, that one also has royal jelly in it, olive oil, green tea leaf extracts, ginseng, crushed garlic, and it's vitamin A, B, and C, and it's for your respiratory system. I can't even talk anymore about that. It's for your respiratory system. These herbs are going to fight and boost up your respiratory system, especially with the things that's going on right now in the world. That is where it attacks us, in our upper respiratory area. So these herbs are to boost you up, build you up, make you stronger. All right, this is also another one that you don't give to your children. This is for adults only. Yeah, y'all, I'm telling you, you really need to check out the eBay store. It is popping with a lot of herbs and spices, not to mention some shoes. Okay, I know you're probably like, dang, I don't see no herbs. Plenty of shoes and clothing and all of that. I don't know how to categorize the stuff down there, but just keep scrolling. You will see it. You will find it. I'll have more ajuan seeds down there. And ajuan, you're not going to find in your supermarket, so don't even look. You're not going to find it there. But you guys, listen, check out the eBay store. Check out the eBay store. You cannot go wrong. These black seed manuka honeys, this is going to boost your body up, okay? And it's so easy to use. The instructions are on the back. These are Indian products, and they're healthy for you. They even have hibiscus honey. I didn't put that out there yet, but I'm trying to get a hold of that one. And they have one called the maca. Now, maca powder honey, that's another one. That one is for and orgasms. It's going to take your play life to a higher level. But these are all natural herbs to boost your body up, and they have 5-in-1. All of these are 5-in-1s except the black seed and honey. That's a 2-in-1. But the maca powder, I'm going to just give you a brief description. It increases productivity, epinephrine, which plays a role in achieving your erection during sexual arousal, as well as increases the amount of adrenaline that reaches that nerve ending, enhancing your play sensation and following for more satisfying play experience. So listen, y'all, I got stuff for you guys. I got stuff for women. Okay, and I'm sure this is unisex. This is not just for the men, but the women can also take it as well, because it's also for the okay. Right? So yes, y'all, women and men can both benefit from this, and you're boosting your body up, and you're giving it the right things that it's going to need so that it can react in the way in which you want it to react. Okay. So y'all, thank you so much for joining me on this crazy video. Listen, like I said, check down below the links in the eBay store. I got wonderful items there. If there's anything that you may want me to add there that you cannot get in your area, let a sister know. All right, and I'll have it out for you. I'll search it out. I'll have it in the store. All right, so you guys, again, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Enjoy the herbs and shopping down there. I'm telling you, this weekend they was going like crazy. The men's was down there just buying stuff up like crazy. I had to keep on top of it and replenish it as needed, but I got a full stock, and if anything runs out, I'll make sure and replenish it, so this way you'll have access to it, because I know you're not going to be able to really find a lot of these things in your area, but I got them for you. Okay, so thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the link to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.